Alrighty folks, here we go. We got C887 coming up, track 1 north. This is our first train in a little under 3 hours. Let's scooch over here. Here we go. This is what we were looking to see right here. Are the white-ended coal tubs. I can't say I've ever seen these before. If you've seen it, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. Trying my best to get some shots for the Ramble series videos, because I'm definitely going to be covering these, because these aren't something you see every day. There goes C887 north on track 1. Like I said, that was our first train in just under 3 hours. And I've never seen those white-ended coal tubs before. If you've ever seen those, let me know in the comments. I've never seen those before, so that was pretty cool. All right, well, let's see if we can't get one more here before we go ahead and call it a night. Let's get that next video started. Here we go. Alrighty, folks, finally got 361 coming out of the holdout after probably an hour. Coming down 1 at 511, still on 2 crews. What I think is still I've just called 36108 at Glendale, and sounds like there's quite a bit going on. 205 is ahead of 209 at 78th Street. They're both dead. 511's dead. Now 361's pulling down to Wyoming. Should fit between 12.2 in the detector at 13.5, so here we go. Doesn't look like he's gonna knock the light out either. That's interesting. CSX 408's the leader. Yeah, there's been almost nothing tonight apart from, well, let's see, what have we had? C887 was our last northbound. We got 361 here, and then M352 about 3 hours before that C887. So not too much going on tonight, but we got some good friends keeping us company, so it's all right here. Nice looking New York Central marked gondola there. And I'm not seeing any cars for Lehigh on tonight's train. Looks like he's starting to hit the brakes to come out to Wyoming. Yep, there's the end of the train. No cars for Lehigh this evening. That's been interesting. The last couple days he hasn't had any cars for Lehigh, but there goes 361 towards Wyoming and eventually Cincinnati. So, all right, here we go, folks. Got L425 coming up track 1. Should still be the GP38, SD50, SD40 lash up. So, let's see what we got here. L425 north up Main 2, the GP38-2, an SD50-3, and an SD40-2. 6158, 8536, and 8315. That was pretty cool. Well, I think that's going to be the last one of the evening here. So thank you all for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.